the hard way. Just try dragging cords. Where we look stupid, so you don't have to. Today we are doing lower control arms on this Toyota Avalon, and we'll show you why. This is a 10-hour book job minute here, but first we have to get these 21s off, even though I grabbed a 17. Did you ever order that M12 Milwaukee? Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna take off this brake line thing. That looks like 12. That looks gnarly. 22 on the old Nutterooskies. We're kind of 30. It's right! Alright, and it's a freaking non-impact style, so that'll be safe.
Safety squints.
We need a needle nose pliers and or a side cutter. Oh, the OEM lug was 30 millimeter, like 12 point or whatever.
These are...
Can I get that cotter pin out? Seems like a good Dan job.
Why?
Gotta get this tie rod off, and what we did was just kind of messed up the cotter pin. Hammered. When in doubt, hammer it out. And then hope that you've got an impact of about 450 foot-pounds of torque. If you hit on the knuckle, it frees up the tie rod end. Alright, now we gotta get this this here brake caliper off, which I think is maybe like a 15 back here. You know, for a Toyota, they're kind of acting like a Volkswagen right now, because there's a lot of different size hardware. It was a 17, okay, we'll give it to them.
No star bits yet. Put anti-seize on.
Oh, this part helps. A lot of suspension work is just hammers. Especially up in the Rust Belt like Minnesota. Alright, and then we're also going to take this ABS sensor off, which is a 10 millimeter right here. That guy just comes out over here and you just move it out of your way. Work, 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 senora. Work it all about. And then, so you don't mangle up the old threads too much. Alright, we gotta get this cotter pin out of the knuckle.
That went anything like the last one.
Oh, it looks real grody. You just were able to cut that?
I mean, I like moved it back and forth with the pliers like 4 times and it just broke. Kind of like
that.
so.
That's how you do that. Can you see anything over there? Short 21. I can see that it's fitting.
Huh.
It's just not sitting, you know?
Yeah, give her another 2. I think you're on there now.
Well, we've got a good amount of cotter pin material we're fighting. Where's that die grinder? I'll just give her a quick little zoot right here.
That's on. Better?
Give me all the 415, 400 some foot-pounders.
what it needed.
Always wear hearing protection. I just want to get that out of the way. Everything's in the way. The dust shield. The other side wasn't this finicky.
This sure seems like it should be the least difficult part.
Here's the fun part. That one, not so bad to do. But right here,
Bad to do.
not enjoyable. Cause the see that's holding the old transmission to the subframe, and there's a bolt for the front of the control arm.
In there.
Right? It's like right behind this, and so this is in the way. That's in the way. So.
Damn.
Alright, so I think this is like a 19, feels like a 17 actually. And now why do we clean the bolts off for the threads is just so that it doesn't get mangled. There's 17 I think right here. Alright, this is a 19. We're not going to be able to get the impact in there, I don't think. 19, and I probably need a shallow one. Need a shallow 19, which little plastic things here. This guy, just to get us a little bit of extra clearance in here. Just a little extra.
Don't worry about the third one.
It's hidden, I think. 19 millimeter on the top nut.
I forgot. I got so close.
I do everything myself around here.
I got so close.
Ah,
That's not good.
tight quarters. Now, we give this a couple of wraps. And then, I forget. Yeah, there's two bolts holding this to the subframe underneath, so we'll come underneath there. Oh yeah, they're both hidden on this side. Okay. We put our phone away so you don't break your screen for the second time. And we jack this up a little bit.
It moved a tiny bit. That might have been enough.
$19 millimeter.
It's really on there. There it goes.
Still rolling? Alright, then you gotta transfer this guy. This goes on the back one. A little extra support or something. I don't know. Looks nice. Let's get this arm back in here. Don't forget this guy. See now, here's the conundrum. Thing's kind of dangling in my way here.
Something shifted a little bit.
Speed secrets coming at you. This threads out. So, we can sneak this in, like so. Bada bing, bada boom. Run our guy down this way.
Okay, pause and try it.
Alright, hands are off the jack.
Lower that mamma jamma down. Keep going. There, I think it's starting to hit the mount.
I'm totally off now.
Should be good. We gotta remember to tighten the bolts on the back. $88 to $96.
That seems good. You think that top one's the same?
Dust shield thing. Maybe a short with the wobble.